Hey, what's up everyone, family and friends? Today is November 3rd of 2022, and a couple previous videos I have done has involved this arroyo here. This is one of my favorite spots out here in Mormon Lake. Just a place I like to come to and chill and just kind of get away and meditate and contemplate, if you will. But it's looking a little different today. This is our first snowstorm of the season, and not too bad for a first snowstorm. Temperature has plummeted throughout the day. It started in about 32 this morning, I believe, when about 8:30 this morning when the snow first started falling. It's around about 3:30 in the afternoon now, but the temperature has plummeted. I haven't checked it in the last, I don't know, 45 minutes, but I'm guessing it's probably I don't know, 22, 23 degrees, something like that. It might be 20. Snowfall has subsided a little bit, so I hiked out here. This is my favorite spot. I'm quite a bit of distance from the cabin. Well, not that far, maybe half a mile or so, but I frequently hike through this area. I'd like to go to one spot up here. Let me see if I can. Problem is you can't see anything in the snow. I know my rock is right here. Okay, my rock is right here, and I normally, there we go. Can't usually normally see. As you can see, I'm stumbling because I can't see the rocks. This place is so full of rocks. I would love to get up to a spot up here. Another chill spot that I go to. It's so rough in here. There's so many rocks and just dead, broken tree branches everywhere, and you can't see it when you're in the snow. Yeah, it's a little cold out here. I forgot my gloves. Problem is I can't press the buttons on the phone to film with gloves on. I don't know, I'm having fun today. Came up here last summer, June 11th of this year. We're at about 7,500 feet elevation right now. It was in the mid 80s when I got up here in June. Okay, here's the road. This is my frequent hiking spot. I gotta step it up a bit though. So this video is not too lengthy, if you will. Don't need snowshoes yet. Oh, it's so hard to see the rocks and everything here. I haven't been hiking in a few weeks. I notice it's not hiking in a week or two. Up here at this elevation, it takes a little bit of toll on the body. I don't know, this is just some beautiful scenery though. My other stony spot, chill spot is somewhere up here. Somewhere, I know where it's at. Yeah, I'm trying to shoot this video. The snowstorm is supposed to get worse. Supposedly. Oh, I better watch that. It's weird. I don't know if you guys all saw it, but the water down at the Arroyo was starting to freeze. Dang, I forgot my umbrella. I walked out without even thinking. The snow's not too bad right now. Sorry if I'm a little winded, folks. I'm just trying to get up this hill. Yeah, here it is. Hopefully I don't twist my ankle. I know the rocks are bad in this area. This is another one of my chill spots. I don't know if you can see this. This is a cross-country skiing trail. This last summer, I hiked quite a bit of it. Sorry, I'm just trying to catch my breath here. I don't think the camera does any justice. Camera never does, but I walked uphill from here. Out in this area down here is the Arroyo that I crossed. Yeah, it's hard to tell on this camera, but it's down that way. Probably about 500 meters or so. But yeah, normally on my hike, I'll stop and I'll chill here a little bit. And I know it's just a beautiful spot. It looks a little different in the summer. Lots of wildflowers, green grass. All right, finally caught up. Got my breath back. Yeah, the gamble oaks have lost their leaves. These were like a bright yellow with some orange, like an orange hue to it, if you will. I know this camera is not the greatest for low light. If you go further up this trail here, there's actually a barbed wire fence with a gate. Doesn't keep the wildlife out though. Shit, doesn't even keep the cattle out. I don't know how many times I walk through here and I see cattle and it's so funny. They turn around, they just book it. I'm like, you chicken shit bastards. What are you afraid of? You outweigh me by 3.5 times. They're 3.5 times my own weight. They're funny. They're funny animals, but anyways, I'm gonna end up here. I'm gonna end it here, folks. I'm at 9 minutes. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.